I am currently crossing the bridge from Tacloban City to Samar. This is the bridge that connects the islands of Samar and Leyte, otherwise called as the Bridge of Love. This bridge is actually the longest bridge in the Philippines, but it lost its title as such when Cebu Cordova Bridge was opened in 2022. At present, this bridge is now under rehabilitation and repair. The Department of Public Works and Highways found out that the bridge is already in critical condition. To expedite the rehabilitation and repair of this bridge, the government has placed Eastern Visayas under state of calamity for 1 year. As you can see, this bridge is still passable, but one way at a time only.